maybe we don't celebrate, but maybe some of our friends celebrate. This is not my holiday, so I've asked some people to come in and share with us.
My name is Dia. I used to go to Central here when I was just a little kid, and now I'm all grown up. So I decided to come in and give you guys a very special presentation, as this presentation is also part of my homework as well. So, this is our presentation on Vaisakhi. Vaisakhi, also known as Vaisakhi, marks the first day of the month of Vaisakhi and is traditionally celebrated annually on April 13th and sometimes April 14th. It is seen as a spring harvest celebration primarily in Punjab in northern India, but can be celebrated anywhere. The celebration shares the faith of Sikhism community and is celebrated through music and is live performances.
Vaisakhi, Vaisakhi, you know what I see, a day that we celebrate life and prosperity. On this day, there are lots of great colors, red, orange, yellow, among many others.
We have a lot of students from various backgrounds, and some of our students last week were sharing with us that they had celebrated Eid, and then one of our teachers had come up to us and said that they were celebrating Vaisakhi over the weekend. And we have an assembly block every Monday, so instead of doing our regular social emotional learning for the assembly, we decided we would share the celebrations and the cultural experiences of a lot of our student body, and hopefully open the minds of some of the students who have never experienced or heard of some of these holidays. So that was what sort of inspired us. Our lovely Miss Chhabra and Miss Harpreet. Miss Chhabra is a EA and Miss Preet is a new teacher at our school, and they both were sharing with us some of their cultures. And Miss Chhabra actually brought all the wonderful outfits for the staff to wear today.
So this is one initiative taken by Natasha Omori that we should start including all the cultures in. So, and this was a perfect opportunity to start with because it was only a few days ago we talked, and this was the first celebration on the month coming. So, and we're hoping from now on we can celebrate more cultures.
And how do you feel about Central Elementary celebrating today?
Oh, I'm super proud of our school as a team. This is a very big deal for us to come together as a team and put this together for our kids and the staff, and so we can celebrate our cultures.
What do you hope the kids take away from today?
The most would be respecting each other's cultures and taking part in it, how it's celebrated, and be there for each other and be kind to each other.